Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a single video for a while, and in the last video I also said I will upload another track video, but I didn't because I always keep forgetting to record with my GoPro on that track day. However, let me give you some updates on my custom tune. I said I'm going to get the TVS Engineering TCU Stage 3, and the TVS told me that they don't have one. They made a custom Stage 3 for me. And after I flashed that Stage 3, the car still behaved the same. The problem left is the ECU custom tune. And after that, I refound the ECU tune at the Malone tuning. Right now, I'm still looking for a new custom tune. However, let me back to today's topic. And today I'm going to installing some small parts on my car. Let me show you what they are. So today we are going to swap all of these. This is the oil cap, and this is the brake fluid cap, and this is a fuel cap, and this is a cap for the coolant. And now let's restart the work. Let's pop off the hood. It's really dirty. I'm not sure you can see from the camera or not. And this is a stock oil cap. And this is the coolant cap, and the brake fluid cap is here. So we are going to swap them. So let's start with this oil cap. And the oil cap and the brake fluid cap are both from the Racingline, if you guys want to get them. So this is the oil cap. It looks really nice, much better than this plastic. Now let's just open up, and then put it back to this plastic. It seems like pretty hard to click them back. Oh, now it is. And this is the brake fluid cap we are going to swap, and they are located at here. Oh, they are so tight. So here we go. And now is this coolant cap. You have to push this here and then take it off. So this is it, so you can see here. As we put it on. Hope it's will face this way. Yes. It faces this way. So as you can see, this is faced this way, and this oil cap is also faced this way. Only the fluid cap is facing forward. I tried several times, but it didn't work. It's okay, no one will see it. Oh. This cap is higher, and now you cannot close it perfectly. I didn't know that. However, it's okay. It won't pop off. What do you guys think about this? As you can see here, this two loop is different. So this is the stock one, and this is from the Racingline. And here you can see they looks different. This one is pop out on, and this one is click in. And I tried to pull this one out, but I couldn't. So I just swapped them. I'm not sure you can see on camera or not. Here have two clips. You just pull them out, and then swap them, and then put them back in here. Very two small one. So right now I'm just going to put them on. Here you go. Looks pretty nice, this aluminum. And here is a little comparison. You don't have all of these words on them, so it should look much nicer with this logo. And also when you put in the gas, you still can put them on here. So it looks much better now. How do you think? So how do you guys think all of those small parts? Will you change them or not? Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I just want two small caps without all of those words on the cap and with them pure black. I just like that way. I think it's much better right now. Please let me know what you think in the comments below as well. And this will be end of this video. And the next video, I'm going to tell you about what happened to my water methanol injection. I had so many problems recently. And this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.